Hey, DarkWF here. Welcome back to a video. This video is gonna be me speedrunning Diamond Pickaxe. So, without further ado, let's just get right into it. But before we actually start the video, I just wanted to tell you that most of the people who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed. So if you are one of those people, please take a moment to subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Okay. See you. Okay. So. We found a temple, that's good. I'm already losing 100 points. Yep. Okay, let's just go. Break faster. Okay. No, nothing good here. Nothing good. Okay, maybe some sand. We need that to throw out of here. Come on, give me some sand. Yes! Oh my god, yes. Okay, let's go. Oh, why did I use the last block? Okay. So let's just sprint because I might lose 100 points really fast. Okay, we got the diamonds. So that's good. Oh, damn it. The speedrun is ruined. Okay, there's a tree right here. Damn it. Yeah, I'm out of 100 points. Let's just go. Come on. Okay, perfect. Crafting table. And we're done.